Do you feel like you're doing all of the things to manifest what you want, but for some reason it's just not happening? You've done the vision boards, you have done the focus wheels, you have done the law of assumption practices in the morning and before you go to sleep at night. You've been doing all of the things that you should be doing, but for some reason it's still not working. It's not that it's not working. It is working, but there's still beliefs that you must have about yourself and what it is that you want that are stopping you from being able to have the things that you want in your life. It does come back to your identity about yourself, who you feel yourself to be, these negative beliefs. And I've experienced this myself in my own life, so I know what it feels like, and I also help many people every week be able to overcome these beliefs so that they can start stepping into their manifestations in the real world. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Sandra. I'm the author of Tapping into Abundance using EFT Tapping and the law of attraction to change your mindset and turn your life around. And in this video, we are going to be doing some tapping on some of the key beliefs that are stopping you from being able to manifest what it is you're wanting to manifest. And it doesn't matter what that is. The beliefs are still often the same. Beliefs that you don't deserve it, that you're not someone who can have it, that you're not allowed to have it, that you're not good at it, all of these things, and we're going to be tapping on these. Now, if you do want to book a one-on-one session with me, I offer a free clarity session to help get you clear about what these beliefs actually are for you, because everybody does have different beliefs that are keeping them stuck. So that is a free 30-minute clarity session over Zoom. So you can book that. There's a link in the description field below this video. It's also on my website as well, mysterywitchschool.com. And for those of you who do like to know more about these negative beliefs, where they come from and how they relate to your energy centers, such as the chakra system, I have a free masterclass called How to Heal Your Shadow through Balancing Your Energy Centers, which goes through what this kind of work is and how it relates to your chakras and how you're keeping yourself stuck, not just in the physical manifestation aspect of things, but also energetically as well. So there's links in the description field below this video and also on my website. Now, when it comes to manifesting, I've been in this game for a long time, for over 35 years, yet I really didn't know how to work it properly until probably the last 7 or so years. There's been a lot that I've had to learn, and I've had beliefs that I'm not capable of being able to manifest the things that I truly want to manifest, because I've had beliefs about myself that I'm not the kind of person who can have those things, that I'm not allowed to have those things. So it kept me very, very stuck in some areas of my life. So it wasn't that the manifestations weren't working, because they'd worked in other aspects of my life that I didn't feel so hung up about. But when it came to things that were really important to me or that I felt very much in need of, sometimes they wouldn't work. And this was more in the case of generally money things, and sometimes also in relationships as well, because there was a lot of work that I had to do around both. And this came back to my beliefs about myself. And so I struggled a lot, particularly in my early years, in my late teens, early 20s, and early 30s, struggled a lot with career and with money, because I just believed that I was just not the sort of person who could have the things that I wanted to have. I wasn't allowed to have it. I wasn't good enough to have it. I didn't deserve it. And I had all of those beliefs. So we're going to do some tapping right now on beliefs that are keeping you stuck from being able to manifest the things that you want to manifest and have successful results when you're doing your magic or your law of attraction or law of assumption work. Karate chop point, repeating after me. Even though nothing's working, I've tried everything, and it's not working. I'm okay. Even though I feel hopeless. I just can't manifest what I want. I don't like it. I'm okay. Even though I feel the frustration and the hopelessness that what I want to create, to manifest, it's not happening. And I don't know what to do. I'm okay. So tapping on the points. It feels hopeless. I'm frustrated. And I feel bad about myself. I just can't manifest it. I've tried everything. Nothing's working. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. It's hard to change how I feel about myself. I'm just not good at this manifestation stuff. Hopeless at hopeless. Why me? And that's just it. I feel like it's not possible for me. I can't do it. It works for others. But it's not working for me. I beat myself up. And I don't like it. I'm tired of feeling this way. What if I could feel differently? What if I could feel different about myself? What if I am good enough? I've just been telling myself I'm not. I believe I'm not. Maybe I believe I can't have it. That I'm not allowed to have it. I don't deserve to have it. I haven't suffered enough for it. God, the universe, spirit, goddess doesn't want me to have it. I haven't proved myself yet for it. I'm just not someone who has these things. People like me can't have it. Someone like me can't manifest it. All of these beliefs. They've got to go. Time to let them go. I don't need them anymore. They're not helpful. I don't want them. I don't like them. They have to go. What if I am allowed to manifest what I want to manifest, and I can be safe at the same time? What if I am someone who can manifest what I want to manifest, and I can be safe at the same time? What if I do deserve to have what I want to have, and I can be safe at the same time? What if God, Spirit, Goddess does want me to have what I want to have and manifest it? What if it's okay for me to have what I want to manifest, and I can be safe at the same time? What if I am someone who has what I want to manifest? What if I am good at manifesting what I want to manifest? What if I am good at manifesting? What if I'm really good at manifesting? I've manifested a lot so far. What if I'm actually really good at it? And what if I can get better at it? What if I have what it takes to manifest? Take a deep breath, let it out. All of these beliefs can be in your way of manifesting and believing that you can manifest. So tap on all of them. Even if you think you don't have them, tap on them. Make note of them, because these are common beliefs. They're beliefs that I had, they're beliefs that my clients have, and they're probably beliefs that you have too. And you can change these beliefs through tapping. So let me know in the comments what your beliefs are about your ability to be able to manifest the things that you want to manifest. And if there's anything I haven't covered on tapping wise, I can do a tapping video on those things. And if you do want to work one-on-one with me, do take up that offer of the free 30-minute clarity session, link in the description field below this video. And if you're the kind of person who likes to do this work on your own, I do have a do-it-yourself online course called The Wheels of Empowerment that takes you through the tapping that will help you tap into what your beliefs are at each chakra level and change those beliefs. And manifestation is a big one, because if you've got beliefs going on, particularly in the lower chakras, that are telling you that you don't deserve it, you shouldn't have it, that it's wrong to have it, you're really going to struggle with even knowing what it is that you want to manifest. And if you've got beliefs stuck in the crown chakra of your connection to spirit that are telling you you're not allowed to have it, then you're going to struggle being able to manifest it. So the Wheels of Empowerment is a great course for you to do to help you unlock all of those common beliefs that are keeping you stuck, and to free up your energy of creation at the same time. So there's a link in the description field below this video for how you can sign up for that course. You can find all of this information out on my website as well, mysterywitchschool.com. Now, if you liked the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.